Okay, it's cooking time with HEB, truly our favorite time of the day around here. Joining us now, Chef Adrian Perez from HEB. You've got something really great for summer. What do we have here? You know, it's all about the light cooking for summer, grilling, things like that. The 4J sauces are the must-haves. Okay, so this is a staple. This is a staple for your summer cooking. And you know, it'll carry on through whenever you need. You don't just have to do it for summer. So we've got the grilled pineapple mango, sweet, great. We're doing fish tacos with it today. Oh, nice. It's the taco revolution at HEB right now. So taco revolution, yes, we need to be a part of it. Exactly. So we're bringing you guys the hottest recipes and some of the most unique ingredients. Jicama tortillas, nature's tortilla. Who would have thought? Right. It's healthy, thin, low fat, low carb, no sugar. We're doing a little Alaskan cod in our tacos today. So if you're more of a chicken kind of person, they're very hearty and dense, very chicken-like. So we're just going to cook these in the skillet about 3 to 4 minutes aside. A little of our Adams Reserve Hatch green chili and ranch. Can't go wrong with anything with ranch. Yeah. And then we're taking all of these fresh ingredients. You guys can see we've got cabbage, fresh jalapenos, a little carrot, cilantro, basil to sweeten it up, fresh lime juice, and we're just tossing it with a bit of that grilled pineapple sauce. It doesn't get any better. Right, so you've got the sweet, you've got sort of the savory flavor, and then you've got the seasoning with the fish. Exactly. So it's a complete package. It's a balance of everything. Sweet, spicy, savory, salty, you've got it all. And you can't have tacos without a good salsa. So we've got the Bloody Mary by the Texas Brew Company. Stick a little vodka in there, you've got a good cocktail, or it makes a good salsa just by itself. It's great alone. And then, I like you're getting creative here. Yeah, absolutely. And then you can't have, you know, a good spicy taco without a sweet wine. Sweet and spicy, sweet wines and spicy foods go perfect together. Look, you don't have to twist my arm. Right? We're on board already. Gotcha. We got that Primo Mazzo Moscato Gold. These grapes are hand harvested, just beautifully held and worked on. So really bubbly, 20 bucks a bottle, great bottle to have a decor on the table as well. So we've got that with a couple of raspberries. Everything's 2 for $8 right now at HEB, so you guys can get all these sauces at a really good price. Wow, and you know, you're healthy, you're I mean, you know, I might throw an actual tortilla in there too, I can't lie. This is great for corn tortilla lovers, but if you like flour, eat the real thing, because there's nothing better than that. All right, well, you know, we've got the diet options for everybody to enjoy. A beautiful presentation. Adrian, thank you so much for being here. Absolutely. We appreciate it. By the way, we've posted these recipes on our website, click2houston.com. It is under the community tab. Jennifer?